Good morning, students, and welcome back to the online learning platform of Kanodia PG Mahila Mahavidyalaya. Our topic for today is Internet and Intranet.
So if we start with Internet, the word itself says inter and net. Net stands for network and inter means it is connecting two or more than two networks. So internet basically is a global network of computers which helps or which allows people to exchange information amongst each other. It may be in the form of emails, it may be in the form of downloading or uploading files. You and me are able to talk to each other only because of the internet. Various applications that you download on your mobiles are also because of the internet. In these days when people are at home, for home entertainment also people are now downloading Netflix, Amazon Prime, etc, etc. All are working only because internet is there. If you do not have the internet facility at home or at office or anywhere you are, you will not be able to exchange any kind of information with anybody. It is possible only through Bluetooth or maybe infrared, but then internet is a global common network which is available everywhere, and if you have this on your phones or devices, you will be able to do lot many things, including the things that I've told you, like exchanging information, downloading music, listening to music, live music, etc, etc. And this word internet that we are talking about, it was created by the Advanced Research Projects Agency, which is ARPA, of the US government in 1960s, and hence it was known as ARPANET. ARPANET, the name came because it was introduced by ARPA, so they named it ARPANET. If you talk about the advantages of internet, some of them we have already covered, like exchanging information, sending emails to each other, providing services, and also buying or selling products. By this we mean the online shopping that we do through e-commerce. That is also possible only because internet is there. And nowadays you can also include education as one of the advantages of internet, because internet is now playing a crucial and a vital role in promoting education and in also providing education to people who are sitting at home. Internet also provides improved customer services, and also it lowers your communication costs. Communication costs, if you talk about e-commerce is again an online shopping platform, and hence all the advantages of e-commerce can also be covered as advantages of internet here, because as we have already discussed the various advantages of e-commerce, wherein we spoke that it helps in reducing the costs because there is no shelf space you require, there is no salesman you require, there is no fixed asset like rent or space that you require. So all of these help in lowering the costs of the seller, and hence internet is helping us to reduce our costs. Also lowering the communication cost, you may also take an example of internet communications like social media, Facebook, WhatsApp. All these are now new modes of communication. Previously, in some years ago, we had only telephones to communicate with each other. Telephones also started with normal landline, and then we came up with mobile phones which were handy, and nowadays you have the social networks wherein people can communicate to each other only through internet. You can do voice calls, you can talk to each other, like the Meet that we do, Google Meet is another example of communication through internet. So all these are the advantages of internet, how internet has actually it has made easy the lives of various people in today's date. And if I talk about today's era, I think it is not wrong to call that there is no life without internet in today's date. Then we have intranet. Intra, the word itself means within an organization or within a limited area. So the network which is there within an area or within an organization will be known as intranet. For example, if our college, Kanodia College, is using a network which can be used only by Canodians, it will be known as intranet. Nobody else apart from the Kanodia people can use that network, and that network is shared through LAN. LAN, as we had discussed in the first class, wherein we were discussing about the syllabus of e-commerce. I had told you that there are 3 different kind of networks: LAN, WAN and MAN. So here, when we are talking about a limited area or within an organization, this network will be connected through LAN cables. LAN means local area network cables. The objective here of using intranet is to organize each individual's desktop with minimal cost, so that you can provide a network to all the employees, all the desktop, with minimizing your cost, time and effort, and trying to be more efficient and more productive as far as the productivity is concerned. Now let us discuss about the advantages of intranet. In advantages of intranet, as I have already told you, that it is used to increase the productivity, to reduce the time, and also to enhance the communication amongst each other. Because if you have LAN cables available, if you have intranet connected to each desktop, you may communicate easily with your peers, with your colleagues, with the people working in your organization. It may be your seniors, it may be your superiors, it may be your colleagues. And then web publishing means anything you have to share with your organization people, the people in the organization. You can publish it on the platform, on the intranet, and it will be available to each and every person who is using that intranet. And it is cost effective because you do not have to provide internet individually. You just have to connect the organization through intranet, and the LAN cables will do their work. So these are all the advantages of intranet, how intranet helps an organization to make the productivity better, to make the organization more effective and efficient, and how it helps you to reduce the time and cost of the organization. Now if you talk about the business uses of internet, how the internet is helpful in the business. So we can start with gathering information. Internet provides you with a database. You can surf any kind of information you want to on the internet, and hence it is very useful for every business because it helps to gather information from the internet. It helps you collaborate with others. Collaborate with others means you can do work collaboratively. You can, one person sitting at home and the other person sitting in the organization or anywhere else in the world can talk to each other. They can collaborate with each other through internet. They can communicate with each other through internet, and hence the business will not be affected by the geographical limitations of one or the other person. Then we have vendor support and communications. If you have internet available, it will help you to communicate properly and in an effective manner with your vendors. Vendors means who are your suppliers of the raw materials. So it helps in communicating not only to vendors but also to your customers or clients. And nowadays people are also maintaining a relationship database of their clients and customers, and they keep on sending them messages of birthdays or anniversaries or promotional messages in order to make good relationship with the customers. So internet is useful not only with the vendor support but also by communicating to the customers and maintaining a database of the customers. Then we have research competitors. Through internet you can also do a research on who all are your competitors and what all strategies are they using to promote their business. So hence internet is actually effective in studying your competitor, you can say, in studying the moves and profit makings, or to study the balance sheet of the competitors. Then we have communicate internally. So internet will be useful in not only communicating with the outside people like vendors or customers, but it will also be helpful in communicating people who are within the organization. So if you are connected through internet, doesn't mean that you cannot use the internet within the organization. You can use that also within the organization. It helps you in giving customer support services. As I have already told you, you maintain database of the customers, you can send messages to the customers, promotional messages, as well as the relationship building messages to the customers, and also providing customer services, that is to resolve any kind of queries that customers have can be resolved through internet. If I tell you my own personal experience, Grofers, all of you might have heard, Grofers is a home delivery application for groceries. So once I had ordered 2 products from Grofers, and one of them did not get delivered. But there is no no verbal communication that can be done to Grofers. What do? They give you a customer message kind of stuff. Like if I have any problem, if a customer has any problem, he or she can just chat with the customer service sitting in the Grofers backend team. So this is how they have used the internet to provide customer support services through chat servicing. So they only deal with the customers through chats. You cannot talk to the customer services. If it is there, I am not aware of it. If it might happen that they have the customer support services through telephone also, but the example that I have given you, the one that they resolve through chatting, it is an example of how customer support service is provided by using the internet. And to publish information in business, if you have to publish any kind of information for your stakeholders, for your outside shareholders, for the outside public, you can do it through internet. And through e-commerce, it is also now possible that you can purchase products or services through internet. You can sell products and services through internet, and you can also provide marketing and sales services. Again, customer service is a repeat from here. So marketing and sales services can also be provided through internet. And last here is cross-functional application. Cross-functional applications means how internet is also useful in providing the cross-functional applications, means functions that you have studied in different in organization. We have different kind of departments within the organization. So it helps, internet also helps to communicate properly across the functions across the organization by the use of internet.
So we have seen the various advantages of internet and intranet, and also the business uses of internet. But there are also some of the limitations, or you can say drawbacks, of using the internet for business purposes. Some of them may be like addiction, which generally the users develop or the students develop while using the internet, because this is technology, and technology is helpful in one of the ways, but it also isolates people from his or her social gatherings. So the internet, basically in today's date, if we see, people are so much addicted to internet that they tend to avoid their social relationships. Rather, they prefer to sit on the net for doing their own work, or playing games, or doing shopping, etc., which is a major limitation of internet. Apart from the same, this addiction is also leading to some health problems to students or to the users of the internet because of the long sitting hours and using the internet. Then if you talk about the business or the shopping or the banking criterias through electronic mode, there are also chances of fraud which might take place as regards to the personal information as well as the financial informations entered by the user. So these are some of the limitations also that internet offers to the users, apart from the importance and uses and help that it is offering to the users. So we have to be secured, we have to make sure, the users of the internet have to make sure that they make full use of the internet, also thereby securing their personal as well as financial informations, and also leading to the use of internet only to the extent possible, and not letting the technology override their social relationships and their health. So that will be it from my side today. We have studied internet, intranet and business uses of internet today. Thank you so much everyone. I hope all of you are safe at home. Take care. Thank you.